So, what is this learned helplessness that I was trying to make you all feel? Because I'm a terrible, mean person. Well, it's basically where fixed mindsets come from. It's the idea that we experience things so bad that we don't have control over that we believe we can't do anything about them in the future. So, you can imagine this little hamster here is being held in the hand of this giant human. The first couple times, he's going to struggle and try to run away, but the human's so much bigger and stronger that eventually the hamster's going to learn there's no point in trying. I give up. I'm just going to sit here limp and look at the camera for this picture, right? That's kind of what people do all the time. So let's give some real better examples. Here's like a model rocket. So you're really excited, you're building it, you follow all the directions, you think you're doing really well, and then you launch it and it explodes, right? Well, everybody else who was doing it did just fine. So that one time stands out to you as so big of a deal, it's such a mistake that you're like, I can't do this. I'm not going to try it again. I failed so badly, I'm never going to try it. Okay, that's one way it could work. Another way is if we get really embarrassed, right? We're working on something, we're trying something, maybe we're practicing a skill, we think we're pretty good at it, and then when we try to show it off, suddenly everyone's laughing at us, or something we say, people laugh at us, or we try to talk to different people for the first time, or no matter what we do, it seems like people are being mean to us. Like, we're going to learn helplessness. We're going to feel like we have no control over that, so we're going to stop trying to do anything different that might change that situation, right? Finally, another very common experience in school, right, is a lot of people feel this way about math. They have a really bad experience. I tried to do math. I thought I knew how to solve this problem, but now there's all these red marks. I don't even know what the red marks mean. I'm so stupid. I can't do this. So the next time around when the math test comes up, I'm going to stop studying for it. I'm not even going to bother because I don't feel like I can do it, right? This is learned helplessness. This is what this example just kind of put in some of you, right? You thought you had the same test. You look around, suddenly everyone else seems to think that this test is really easy. I'm really having a hard time with it. So by the time you get to that last one, you're like, I'm not even going to try anymore. There's no point. This is how things work. We need to get over this feeling because it's very common and it happens to us all the time of feeling like because something went wrong, that it's something about us and that's wrong with us that makes it not worth trying anymore. It's really hard to get over, and we all have different parts of our lives where this happens to us, but it's really important to know about it so that we can try to figure out ways to move on.